After work, the streets slowly fill up. Everyone is heading somewhere. Most of the time, it's just home. Along the road, people sell things right where they stand. You stop if you need something, buy it quickly, then move on. It's simple, but it saves time. Just shrimp and a few vegetables. Enough for a simple meal. This time of day is always busy. Sounds overlap. People sell, people buy, people wait. I turn into a smaller street. Places like this are easy to miss, but they're part of everyday life here. I stopped by a small tailor to pick up some clothes I left here a few days ago. While waiting, I look around. Nothing fancy, just things people use every day. On the way home, some people are still working by hand. Quiet work, done slowly. Back home, I start preparing dinner. Washing shrimp, cleaning things up. Nothing complicated. I add a little more from the freezer. Sometimes you save a bit for later. Fuel prices change a lot these days. When it's cheaper, I usually keep a little extra at home. The shrimp is ready. Simple food after a long day. I don't like wasting food. Even shrimp shells can be saved for something else later. These bananas have been soaking for a few days. I'm preparing them for something. Do you know what they'll become? I'll show you in the next video.